How do you buy a second home? And what are some of the things you need to consider when buying a second home? Well, a lot of people like to use second home financing because it only requires a 10% down payment versus an investor. If you're just buying a non owner occupied property, it usually requires a 20% down payment. So you can get into a property for less money down, but you can't have the intention of actually renting it or turning it into an Airbnb. When you're buying a second home, it should be like a vacation property. So you can get in for 10% down, but the rates are still significantly higher than an owner occupied purchase. The fees are usually higher, usually require a little bit of a higher credit score, a little bit lower debt to income ratio, so a little bit harder to qualify for. But another important factor is that it needs to be a reasonable distance away from your primary residence. The underwriter is not going to buy it if you're trying to buy a vacation home 10 minutes away from your primary residence.